Prove that 3 sin pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So sin pi by 6 equal to sin 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Sin pi by 6 equal to sin 30 degree. Pi by 6 will be equal to 30 degree. The value of pi is 180 degree. So 180 degree by 6 equal to 3 6 are 18. So 30. So sin pi by 6 equal to sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Secant pi by 3 is equal to 1 divided by cos pi by 3. Since secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So we can write secant pi by 3 is equal to 1 divided by cos pi by 3. The value of cos pi by 3 is cos pi by 3 can be written as cos 60 degree. Pi is 180. 180 divided by 3 will be equal to 60 degree. So that is equal to 1 divided by cos 60 degree. The value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. So that is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2. So this 2 will be multiplied with this 1. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 by 1. Okay, so that is equal to 2. So secant pi by 3 is equal to 2. The value of secant pi by 3 will be equal to 2. Sin pi by 6. Here we have sin 5 by 6. So we need to calculate the value of sin 5 pi by 6. Okay. So sin pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 equal to sin into 5 into 180 divided by 6. Value of pi is 180. So simplifying this, we will get sin 150 degree. 130, 5 into 30, 150. Okay. So sin 150 degree. So 150 degree means second quadrant. In second quadrant sin theta positive. In second quadrant sin theta will be positive. Okay. All sin in second quadrant sin theta and cosecant theta. Sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. The remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay. So since 150 degree lies on the second quadrant, sin theta is positive. So 150 degree can be written as 180 degree minus 30 degree. Okay. 180 minus 30 will be equal to 150. Okay. So we can write sin 150 degree equal to sin of 180 degree minus 30 degree. Sin 180 minus theta equal to sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So sin 180 minus 30 degree. Sin 180 minus 30 is equal to sin 30. Okay. For theta we have 30 degree. So sin 180 minus 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree. The value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. Now find the value of cot pi by 4. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. In this problem theta is pi by 4. So cot pi by 4 is equal to 1 divided by tan pi by 4. So that is equal to 1 divided by pi by 4 will be equal to 45 degree. 1 divided by tan 45 degree. The value of tan 45 degree is 1. Okay. So 1 by 1 will be equal to 1. Okay. Therefore cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So now LHS is equal to 3 sine pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4. Now plug in the value, write this 3 as it is. The value of sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2, secant pi by 3 is 2, write this 4 as it is. The value of 5 pi by 6 will be equal to 1 by 2, cot pi by 4 is 1. Okay, now simplifying this, 2 cancel, 1 2. Okay, so here 3 into 1 3, 2 into 1 into 1, minus this minus 2 into 1 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to RHS.